In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text on image in Webflow. By the end, you'll be able to place clean, readable text directly on top of an image using the designer, with positioning that stays consistent as you build. First, open Webflow and head to your Sites view, then open your project dashboard. From there, launch the project in the Webflow designer. You'll land on the canvas. Navigate to the page and section where you want the text over image effect, and click the element that will hold both the image and the text. This is typically a div or section that serves as your image wrapper. Give this wrapper a class so you can style it consistently. Naming your classes up front keeps things tidy and makes future edits predictable. With the wrapper selected, go to the Style panel. In the Backgrounds area, add a new background and choose your image. You can upload a new asset or select one you've already added. Once it's chosen, confirm it appears as the background of the wrapper. Adjust the background settings as needed, like setting it to cover and centering it, so the image fills the space nicely. Now add your text element inside the same wrapper. A heading or a simple text block works well. Click into it and type your copy. Keep it short and meaningful. Concise text is easier to position and read over imagery. To place the text on top of the image, select the image wrapper and set its position to relative in the Style panel. This creates a reference frame for anything inside it. Next, select your text element, open the position controls, and choose Absolute. Use the Inset controls to place the text where you want it. Clicking Auto clears an inset value, which is handy for centering or resetting placement. Start by setting the insets to Auto, then nudge the text into place either by dragging on the canvas or by entering values for top, bottom, left, or right. Aim for comfortable spacing that doesn't clash with important parts of the image. Make your text easy to read. Choose a color with strong contrast against the image, and consider adding a subtle shadow on the text if needed. If the image is very busy, increasing font weight or size helps clarity without redesigning the layout. Finally, check responsiveness. Switch to tablet and mobile views and tweak the text size and position so it remains legible and well placed across breakpoints. With that, you've added text on an image in Webflow in a clean, controllable way.